Bratans, Bitcoin formed the golden cross. This is a huge news, and I have a lot more news here with you. Let us start here with the golden cross, which is obviously a very bullish sign. You see it here, the green line crossed the red line, and the last time when we saw this happen, for example, here you see we saw a huge pump in the market, huyak, but we not only formed daily, we also about to form on the weekly the golden cross, as you see it here right now. And I told you about this pump will happen because we had this green dot appeared on the weekly, what is much more important than on the daily, but also on the daily right now it appeared, and this is huge. But not only this, man, huge is also, yeah, retail sales rose 0.7% in September, much stronger than estimated. So you see people spending money, they're not worrying too much about the inflation, or the inflation is going slightly down. Obviously this could be also bad news because it means the Fed could increase again the interest rates, but I prepared also this for you because the Fed meeting is in 14 days and the probability that they will raise the interest rates is only by 12%. So 88% is the probability that they will not increase the interest rates, even though we have this good news and they could increase the interest rates because the target, the inflation rate target is 2%, and right now we are at about 4-5%. So they will not increase the interest rate. So the probability at least is, but we have another huge big news. Blackrock CEO Larry Fink seeing client demand for crypto around the world. Rumors about the spot Bitcoin ETF approvals aside, Fink called the recent rally a flight to quality. And what he says exactly, clients across the global are talking about the need for crypto, said Larry Fink, CEO of Blackrock. And here further he said, Fink however did on the recent rally, it's an example of the pent-up interest in crypto. He said, we are hearing from clients around the world about the need for crypto. And right now, again, this could be a good and a bad news. And I tell you exactly, the good news is, the good news long-term wise, so after the halving is exactly here. Don't forget, the halving is here. Where's the halving? The halving is in 168 days. And after the halving, latest after the halving, several months after the halving, we're expecting huge rally to the upside. And so this message from Larry Fink is clear. Larry Fink is clear that he will put, I mean, they put already 100% money, but they will put even more money. And we speak not about billions, we speak about trillions, which they will inject into the crypto market, which means we see huge rally of Bitcoin, of altcoins, and so on and so on. I told you the price target for Bitcoin is around 130 to 150K. In the bull market 2024-2025. So this is a good news. However, it's also could be bad news in the short term, because in short term, when we have the mainstream media speaking good about crypto, it's obviously something wrong is with it. So possibly we could see a bit more dump, or even we had already the good news, the bad news, because we had this fake out, you see, to the upside to liquidate all the shorts. Boom, blood. First all the shorts, then all the longs we liquidated. And why we had this huge liquidation week to the upside, some of you know it already, but I quickly tell for everyone who don't know about it. Bitcoin jumps to 30K, then dumps as false spot ETF approvals report circulates. And obviously, there was a false report that they approved the Bitcoin ETF, but you saw this this week to the upside. Imagine they will approve the Bitcoin ETF, and BlackRock also made an application for Bitcoin ETF. Just imagine, as soon as they will approve it, and the deadline for Bitcoin for the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF is in March next year. And this is exactly also when we're expecting shortly before the relief rally start. Just imagine, this will be like it will be like a big ejaculation, like all over your town. This will be huge, man. This is like if you 2 weeks didn't jerk off, it will be crazy, bratan. So for some of you also 15 minutes not jerking off. So right now, let us quickly watch here everything looks amazing. We see also the dollar starts to lose the support, and this is so bullish for Bitcoin. You see here, we had here some fake out to the downside. I told you the support is broken, which is amazing. Then retested the resistance, failed to break through, and right now we again breaking through the support line, which is very bullish because if dollar is getting weak, Bitcoin is getting stronger. This is exactly what we see right now. The total crypto market cap looks also amazing. You see, we broke the line, the resistance line. We broke it 2 times, so this is highly bullish, but we could wait until mid of November, so we could still have a boring 1 month to go, possibly. I mean, hopefully we will see breakout to the upside earlier, but possibly we have here a 1 month still of boring time. And obviously the probability is also there that we broke it to the downside. Nobody knows, but if we break it to the upside, then the technical price target of the total crypto market cap, you measure from the upside to the downside, the total crypto market cap would be around $1.5 trillion, $1.4 trillion total crypto market cap, which obviously means that we would see Bitcoin running to 35k at least. I expect that Bitcoin will run to 38k. Why 38k or 40k? Because the big resistance is coming here at around 39k, as you see it here. And also, if we are watching here the big W, which right now seems to work out, we are clearly above the monthly moving average, and this is a clear huge resistance line which we broke to the upside. We only have to break 30k. Why 30k? Because we have a lot of volume at 30k coming. As soon as we're breaking this level, nothing holds us to go to the price target of 40k. This is amazing. And also we are above the EMA ribbon, which is crazy, above the monthly EMA ribbon, above the daily EMA ribbon. This is very, very bullish everything right now. We shouldn't break, however, below the monthly 100 moving average, below 25k. So in case if you're in a long position, make sure your stop loss is below 25k, because you could see easy liquidation week to the downside to liquidate all the long position. I remain in my long position, bratan. My long position, AVE long position, is $6,800 and lost 25%, but I will remain in this long position because I'm expecting AVE to go at least to $100 at least. And right now it's an amazing long opportunity for AVE, in my opinion, bratans. Don't forget 168 to the Bitcoin halving. Funding rates looks also amazing. We are negative. Negative funding rate means we should see some more bounce to the upside. So everything looks amazing, bratans. What I want to show you else is S&P 500. S&P 500 is right now perfectly bouncing in our support line 4,270. We see some more pump opportunity to our resist line 4,570. In case we're breaking this resist line to the upside, we see S&P 500 flying to the upside, and so does Bitcoin, because Bitcoin usually follows the S&P 500. So for now, for this moment, everything looks amazing, and I still expecting some more pump to the upside, bratans. Just be careful. Still make your stop loss if you're in a Bitcoin long below 25k. If you're in an AVE long position, make your stop loss below $28. In my opinion, not a financial advice. This is what I'm doing, bratans. If you want, you can claim $1,000 bonus on Bybit. Link is down below. You put $100 in, you get $1,000 bonus. Thank you very much for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Ha!